Hello, welcome to the Damoov DataHub tutorials. Today we are exploring how to navigate the users list. This table contains all the necessary information about the users. Since Damoov is a data processor, we do not ask to share personal data. However, users can add their email, name, and phone number if needed. To navigate the data, each user is assigned a unique user ID, also called a device token. Let's have a look at the table. A safety score is an element of our safe driving model, which allows you to analyze driving behaviors and rank drivers according to the risk of a potential accident. Then, there are mileage, registration date, general information, the application drivers use, and the user group to which drivers are assigned. Next is the activity status. Each color represents a different status. Green means the user is active. The driver recorded at least one trip in the last 14 days. Yellow means the user is inactive. The driver has old trips, but no trips were recorded in the last 2 weeks. Red resembles lost users, meaning that there were older trips, but the driver didn't record any trips for more than 14 days. Gray means there is no data. The user was created or registered, but no data has been received from them yet. Wine color means that there is an error. In this case, you can refer to our documentation. The link will be in the description. You can also contact us, and we'll help you deal with any issues. Status information is needed to understand which users are active, which have data, and which users don't have data associated with them. Then there is the number of trips. This is the total number of trips. This is the number of driving trips when the user of the mobile app was the driver. These are other trips that were either automatically marked with our ML model, or the user manually noted that they were either a passenger or used other transport. Here, you can add or remove columns. And here you can filter users by registration date, status, or the apps they use. If, for example, you have several applications, then you can choose a specific one and then select user groups within each application. There is a drop-down menu on both ends of the table. There's an option to change user groups. To understand how user groups work, let's have a quick look at the platform architecture. When you create an account in DataHub, you create a company account. Then you can register virtual applications and create groups of drivers inside these applications. Say that your organization has 10 different business units. You can create a separate instance for each of them and use a group as a reporting reference. So, all the statistics you collect can be filtered by driver, by instance, or by application. If one of your managers works in a certain city or is responsible for a certain business unit, you can assign them to a specific group, and they will see only the group-specific drivers and statistics. The app owner can see statistics of the whole application, a separate group, or a driver. Let's go back to the drop-down menu. If you want to transfer a driver from one unit to another, it's very easy to do so. Click on Change User Group and assign the user to another existing group. Deactivation of the user. The deactivated user continues to exist on the platform, but tracking and access to the statistics are disabled for them. But a manager can still access the user's data for analysis. Deactivation is necessary to disable the user for some time, for example, while the driver is on vacation. When they are back, the user can be activated again. Deleting a user. The user's account and all data associated with them will be permanently deleted from our platform. Next to the 3 dots, there are 2 icons, trips and profiles. We will take a closer look at them in separate videos. That's all for the List of Users tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact us. Drive safe.